Hello and welcome to Caseflow. I'm Kiki Ruff, and today I'm going to show you an overview of how your workday can be transformed with Caseflow. Caseflow is a powerful, fully customizable workspace built specifically for U.S. immigration law firms, right on top of Monday.com. Designed by industry experts at Workiflow, Heights Immigration Law, and Global Mobility Partners, Caseflow combines legal insight with cutting-edge technology to streamline your entire case management process. Let's take a look at the workspace that will be deployed in your account when signing up for Monday.com CRM Enterprise with Caseflow. Your workspace will come pre-configured with the following. Let's dive in. In Caseflow, all client data, whether they're new leads or existing clients, start in the contacts board. You can add clients manually, through a form, or by importing their information. Each entry captures key details like names, phone numbers, language preferences, locations, and how they found your firm. Every case and deal must be connected to a contact, so it's important to maintain accurate information here. For example, let's add a new contact, John Doe. Once John's details are entered, he's part of your system and ready for next steps. If John's spouse, Jane Doe, is also a client, we can add her as a contact too and link them together through the accounts board. This way, we can see their relationship as the Doe family. The contacts board gives you a full picture of each client. When you open John's profile, you'll see his deals, cases, emails, and notes all in one place. With the Emails and Activities feature, you'll be able to see a timeline of all email communications to and from your clients, as well as track important notes and updates, giving you a complete timeline of all events throughout the lifetime of your relationship. Once a lead has been qualified as a potential client, you'll create a deal directly from their contact record. Let's create a deal for John Doe. We'll click Create Deal, and the system automatically links this deal to John's contact. From the Deals board, we can track consultations, service details, communications, and payments for each client. Here is the service list. The Service List app is an exclusive feature developed by Workiflow for Caseflow to simplify and automate the process of managing immigration services. This powerful tool allows you to standardize service offerings, automate case creation, reduce manual data entry, and ensure consistency across cases. Once you have configured your service list, you can now easily define the services for your clients. Let's say John Doe has completed a consultation and is moving forward with an I-130 family petition. In the Deal Services tab, we'll select the service, and the description, legal fee, and filing fee will populate automatically based on your service list. Keep in mind you can add multiple services to a single deal. Since John's spouse, Jane Doe, is part of the Doe family account, we can easily add her as the secondary applicant. You will see the legal fees and filing fees calculated on the deal item. Now we'll mark the deal as signed up. Caseflow will automatically create a case in the appropriate board based on the service selected. Each case board is structured to match your legal workflows. Caseflow comes preloaded with boards for USCIS, consular processing, EOIR, and FOIA. Each board has a unique column structure to capture the relevant information and groups to track your cases through various stages. Since John's case is an I-130, it will appear in the USCIS board. Tasks for new matter setup have automatically generated using the Templify app, so nothing gets missed. These tasks are assigned to the right team members with due dates, ensuring accountability. Your team can track all assigned tasks across cases using My Work, keeping everyone organized and on track. Another great feature is the Case Dashboard that gives you a bird's eye view of your firm's operations. Caseflow makes it easy to instantly track live USCIS case statuses directly within your system using the USCIS Receipts Tracking app developed by Workiflow exclusively for Caseflow. Here's how it works. Go to the USCIS board and open the client's case. For example, John Doe's I-130. Click Open Item Page to view the case details. In the Item Page view, and select USCIS Receipts UI from the drop-down menu. Next, click Receipt in the USCIS Receipts UI. Enter the client's USCIS receipt number, then click Check Status. Wait a few seconds while the system retrieves the latest case status from USCIS. Once the receipt is added, it will automatically appear in the USCIS Receipts Tracking board linked to the client's case. The app will check for any status updates on a daily basis, and you and your team will receive notifications within Monday.com or by email if there are any changes. This feature gives your team a centralized, real-time view of all active cases, helping you stay informed and proactive. Caseflow also helps you manage long-term client relationships through the Future Cases board. For example, if John just received his green card, you know that he'll need to apply for citizenship in 5 years. We can create a future case for John, select the N400 service, and set his final eligibility date. The system calculates key dates automatically, like the case start date, filing date, and a critical 1-month out reminder. John will now receive automated emails at each of these milestones, helping you stay proactive and ensuring clients like John never miss an important deadline, and bringing you returning business as John will be reminded to come back to you to sign up for his future case. If John signs up for his case, we'll mark him as did sign up, and the reminders will stop. If he's no longer interested, we'll mark him as not interested, and the system will automatically stop sending reminders. Caseflow comes with several caseboard templates and an additional caseboard template to copy that is already connected to your contacts and deals board. You can duplicate and customize this template to add additional caseboards tailored to your practice. Rename the board and groups to match your team's vocabulary, and you're ready to go. At Workiflow, we're here to help you get the most out of your Caseflow system as you adopt and scale. You can integrate Caseflow with a variety of apps to supercharge your workflows, like PandaDoc for contracts, Jotform for client intake, Smith.ai for lead capture, and Calendly for scheduling. If you're transitioning from another system, we also offer data migration services, making sure your client data, case records, and history are imported seamlessly into your new workspace. As your firm evolves, we're ready to support you with custom training tailored to your team's needs, advanced automations for even greater efficiency, and ongoing system optimization so your Caseflow setup grows with your practice. All of these services can be purchased directly through Workiflow. And there you have it, what your workflows could look like with Caseflow. With connected boards, automated tasks, client reminders, live USCIS updates, and support from Workiflow, Caseflow is designed to simplify your case management so your team can focus on what matters most, your clients. See yourself working faster with Caseflow? Please reach out to the Caseflow team to schedule a demo today. Thank you for watching.